how to fix all Windows Update error problems. So in order to fix this issue, and click on this PC and open Windows Drive C, and here go to Windows and search for software distribution. Here you can see the software distribution, and delete all the files in this software distribution. In this folder you will have all the updates and cache of the Windows updates. So after clearing all this data, it might help to solve your Windows error problems. If this does not help, the next option is to go to troubleshoot settings, and after that click on other troubleshooters, and here you can see Windows update. Click on run, and after this everything related to this Windows update issue will be solved by the troubleshooter. And if this still does not help, the next thing that you can do is open up the command and run it as administrator. To type sfc space /scan now, and this will help to scan all of the system files in your drive and will fix all the errors or the bad and corrupted files on your system. The next thing is to open up services.msc, go to run command and type services.fsc, and from here scroll it down and go to Windows Update. Double click on the option and make sure the startup type is automatic, and just whether the service status it is running, and if it is not running, click to start. It should be running, and click on apply and OK. And after this, make sure you restart your computer again, and I hope your issue will be fixed.